Welcome. Let's walk through how to import Excel drawings into Matidor. In Matidor, you can import spreadsheet data directly as map drawings, whether you're working in a workspace or inside a project. To get started, navigate to an existing project. Once inside, expand the map layers. Here, you get the option to choose if it will be a project or workspace layer. Once decided, choose the option to import via Spreadsheet. This allows you to bring in structured data and visualize it instantly on the map. Once your file is uploaded, you can map columns from your spreadsheet to define your drawing names and coordinates. This step ensures each drawing is clearly labeled based on your data, making it easier to organize and manage later. Users will also get an email notification when the layer import is completed. After importing, your spreadsheet becomes a new layer filled with editable drawings. Each row in your file is now a visual element on the map. You can filter your drawings using custom fields that were included in your spreadsheet. This makes it easy to quickly find and focus on specific data. Matidor also detects URLs in your custom fields automatically, so you can click and open them in a new tab for quick access to external resources. Editing drawings. Need to make changes? You can use Matidor's built-in drawing tools to edit styles, adjust labels, or customize how your data appears on the map. This gives you full control over how your imported data looks and behaves within your project. And that's how you import Excel drawings into Matidor, turning spreadsheets into powerful, interactive map layers. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.